Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Trisha, and today I wanted to do this quick fall look. I wasn't sure what I was gonna go for at first, but I am glad it turned out okay. If you want to see how I get this look, please keep on watching. Going in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be taking this yellow shade into my crease. Morphe 3502 palette, and I am going to be taking this so now I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. And now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal mascara. And I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Prime. I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiance Long Wearing Foundation in Caress. And with that, I am going to be using my Real Techniques foundation brush. Concealer under my eyes. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to use my Beauty Blender. I'm just going to go in with some translucent powder. I'm going to go in with my Iman Second to None powder foundation. I'm going to go in with my Paint Gold brush. And now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush and Berry. I'm just going to be using a little brush. And now I'm going to go back into that Iman powder with an angled brush, and I'm just going to use that to contour my nose. guys, this is our finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you in the next one.